Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide repost on TikTok from friends. So let's get right into it. First of all, we will go to the TikTok app. And here we will hit profile. And here I will select my video that I want to keep private. I've selected my video and here you will see privacy settings. Hit on privacy settings. Once you will hit on privacy settings, the pop-up will appear on the screen. Here you will see three options and you have to select your right one. I'm going to hit only you. And that's it guys. So this is how to hide repost on TikTok from friends. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.